All right, so did the vacuum that's out at the top, and one of the last things that completes this tower here, if you did not guess already, it is my RLS Packout. So let me get this down. So I had this idea all year round. I just never had a press tool to use it with. So this is going to be the ammo style can Packout. We got our batteries here. I'm going to try and use this for flare fitting. So we got a bunch in there, some couplings, elbows. So those are going to be the smaller sizes, everything you need that comes with your press kit. We got the marker, the little brush, comes with a rigid tubing cutter, abrasive cloth. It runs on Makita batteries, this RLS one, so there's two there. And take this out. Gonna work on inventory here, but this is where the bigger couplings are gonna go. The ones I use the most, obviously. Here's the RLS. So it's made by Klauke, I don't know how to say that, but that's theirs. It is super compact, and then all the jaws are gonna lay underneath. So pretty cool to be able to store it here, because it does come in 2 boxes, as most of them do. And then if we're gonna press, we're gonna do that or carry that. So stay tuned. I've had projects that have been pushed back, but we're finally gonna get to use this probably this month. So stay tuned for the press videos. All right guys, so I'll see what else I can show you. That's it for this kind of tower here. It's freaking hot, but I'm trying to clean up my van. I had a long day yesterday, but if there's anything else you want to see, let me know. Check out my YouTube channel for full videos. I'm gonna try and post more on here, and I'm gonna try and do a van tour very soon. So follow, like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys.